Hello and welcome to today's session on ethical AI in education. We're going to explore some really important points about how to use AI, particularly in the context of your studies. We'll cover what generative AI is, discuss ethical considerations like copyright and critical thinking, and learn how AI can assist, not do, the work for you. Let's dive right in. So, what is generative AI or Gen AI? Essentially, it's a type of artificial intelligence designed to create new content, whether that's text, images, music, or as you probably guessed, I was created with an AI video generator. I'm Ellie, by the way. Hi. ChatGPT is a popular Gen AI tool. Gen AI tools generate content by predicting patterns based on the data they've been trained on. Now let's get started with a quick quiz to see if you recognize which everyday devices use AI. Ready? Great job! Remember, AI often revolves around keywords like recommending, predicting, and suggesting. Whether it's your phone recommending apps, Netflix predicting your next watch, or ChatGPT suggesting research papers. AI is making predictions, not definitive answers. It does not know in the sense of which humans do. Let's talk about copyright when it comes to using AI-generated content. While AI tools can produce incredible work, it's crucial to understand that you are still responsible for ensuring you have the right to use, modify, or share that content. Many AI-generated outputs may still be subject to copyright protections or terms of service. And here in the library, we also have strict copyright restrictions on how our publications can be used. Please be sure to check out our copyright policies on library guides. You can also speak to a member of the library team for more information. One important rule in using AI ethically is to always be critical of the output. Let's do another quick quiz. Can you tell which of these images were AI generated? Not always easy, right? This emphasizes the importance of critical thinking. Just because AI generates something doesn't mean it's accurate, original, or even ethically sourced. AI is known for biased results. It's up to us to evaluate and question AI outputs. Do not rely on Gen AI for proofreading. Human proofreading is always the most effective way to check your work. If you do use AI in your studies, especially if you're using it to help write or create content, it's important to acknowledge that. Just like any other source, AI-generated content must be referenced properly in your assignments. This ensures transparency and academic integrity. For every single assignment, check with your lecturer whether Gen AI is permitted and what is accepted evidence of AI use. One of the most important principles of using AI ethically is to remember that it's here to assist, not do the work for you. Whether it's helping you brainstorm ideas, organize your thoughts, or suggest edits, AI should complement your learning, not replace it. It's a tool to help enhance your skills, but the original thinking and effort should always be your own. It would be useful for us to learn what AI tools you are currently using so we can learn and offer any relevant support. Scan the QR code and add your Gen AI tool to the Padlet. At the University of Sunderland, we are still learning about AI, but please email over any AI questions you think of. Thanks for watching, and remember, AI is a powerful tool, but how we use it is key to ensuring integrity and ethical practice.